My name is Eric Brainerd. I'm the CEO of Anritsu Infovus USA. We cover Latin America, USA, and support Europe. What our purpose generally is our commitment to advancing your quality control program. We do that through equipment, through our people, through our processes, and really we want to make sure that you have a positive Anritsu customer experience. That's what we're about. Our equipment is Japanese based. It's metal detection, check weighing, x-ray, reject devices, and then what we call QUICA systems. Those QUICA for traceability and data collection. So thank you very much for taking the time today, and I hope you enjoy and are educated a little bit during these future presentations. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Michael Ahern. I'm the National Sales Manager for Anritsu. My presentation today is a complete HACCP inspection system for food lines. Really what I'm going to focus on is the size of our inspection systems. Many people come to our shows, or in our booth at our shows, to look at our systems because they've heard the quality of our inspection. So one of the things that happens in today's world is that people have to add inspection systems and they don't have a lot of space on the line. So that's what we're going to focus on today. I'm going to be looking at the metal detector, the checkware, and the x-ray machine, and we're going to follow up with the dual flipper rejector. I'll describe each one of these systems and then we'll talk about the footprint. So I'm going to start with the M6 metal detector. The M6 includes innovations that we started 15 years ago, and that's 2 metal detectors in one head. You actually have the ability to fine-tune for stainless steel independent of ferrous metals. The advantage for that is when you have products that are very conductive or difficult for a metal detector to inspect, you actually do get a little bit better inspection. Then we have our checkware. We have been a checkware company for 55 years. We basically make our own weigh cells. This system has the standard weigh cell technology. We also offer force balance or high accuracy checkwares, but 90% of the applications we have can be executed with the standard weigh cell. What I'm going to show you today is our combo unit. It has the metal detector checkware on one frame, and notice that it has a very clean lines, very sanitary design. We have clips on here that allow you to take the belts off without tools for quick sanitation and quick maintenance. Notice that the metal detector is fairly close to the user interface, so our technology allows it to have very small footprint because our metal free zone is very small. We also have a single user interface for both devices. So why is this important to you? Well, what happens a lot of times is someone will have a checkware and they have to add a metal detector to their production line, but there's no room on the production line. Most checkwares are much larger than our system, so you actually have the ability to remove your existing checkware and you can put in our combo unit. It just slides right in. Sometimes you have to add an extra in-feed conveyor, but it's very easy to slide right in because of the small footprint. Conversely, if you have a metal detector, there's a lot of metal detectors on the marketplace that are quite large. So if you need to add a checkware to your line, literally just pull out your metal detector and you can put in the Anritsu combo unit. We sell a lot of machines every year for that very reason, so it's a very nice package for people. Keep in mind we make great metal detectors and checkware, so there's no compromise on going to a small package, and that's one of the biggest advantages about the Anritsu combo unit. The next machine we're going to talk about is the XR75 X-ray machine. Now, we're predominantly known in the United States as an X-ray company. The main reason being we have very good performance for finding small contaminants in products. Our detector is about 1/4 the size of everybody else's, so we have very good resolution. Now, what's impressive about that is we're going the same line speeds as all the other machines in the marketplace, but so we're processing 4 times the data. Now, for this particular situation, what you look at is the size of our machine. Our machine is 31.5 inches long, or 800 millimeters for our international friends. So it's a very small footprint to fit on a production line. Now I'm going to run this pizza. Now this is not a tiny package. I'm going to run the pizza through the machine, and you notice it goes right on through. Now what's nice about our system is we have a low energy X-ray tube, which means we don't create a lot of heat. This system is actually capable of surviving in a plant up to 95 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 35 degrees Celsius. Now what's nice about that is not only is it a short footprint this way, but it's also a short footprint behind the machine. There's no AC hanging on the back, there's no door swing. So you really have a small footprint along the direction of travel as well as in the depth of the machine itself. Notice that, again, it's a nice sanitary design and a lot of clean angles to allow water to run off the machine. The system actually also, just like this system, open up the door. you have tool-free belt removal as well. So you actually do save on training costs for your people. So very small footprint, very good quality inspection. Then we have our rejector. It is our dual flipper rejector. What's nice about that is you reject on both sides of the line, very small footprint again. This particular rejector has our CCP kit, or critical control point kit, and that includes the reject bins, locking doors. We also have reject verified to validate that the package is actually off the line. If we don't reject it, then we'll send out an output signal, you can stop the line. We also have reject bin full sensors, so in case the bin's full, you don't want to try to reject against a wall of product sitting in a bin. We also have a sensor for air pressure, so if the pressure drops coming into the system, we can give you an output signal for that. So this is the complete HACCP line. It's about 10 feet long, a metal detector, a check weigher, an x-ray machine, all in 10 feet. Very small footprint, and we're running a very decent sized package. Now, one of the things that a lot of people like about our machine is if you actually look at the setup menu, the user interfaces are the same between the metal detector, the check weigher, and the x-ray machine. So training costs can be fairly easy because if you learn the x-ray machine, you also learn the metal detector and check weigher. Keep in mind we have 600 models, so this isn't the only size. We do sell the metal detector independent of the check weigher, again, small footprint. The small footprint of the check weigher does allow you to make check weigher x-ray system combos, so that's something they can also do. And we also offer quick data management system where you have the ability to send the output of all the machines to either a PC or a server somewhere in a quality lab, I suspect. It can actually monitor everything going on with all the machines all the time.